Hello friends, Mr. Boy is talking to you. In this video we want to make fried mushrooms in half an hour with a special recipe, so stay with me. At first, put as much as mushrooms you want aside and make them into 2 or 4 pieces. In this level, you have to add some white flour to a pot. Then add a special powder to it and mix them. I will tell you how to make this powder in the following. But before that, for each 500 grams of white flour, add 45 grams of this powder and make sure it covers all the mushrooms. Well friends, this is our special powder. You can buy a powder like this in supermarkets, or if you want to make it at home, follow the recipe. Let's get back to the mushrooms. Soak the mushrooms into a pot of water. Then insert them into the mixed flour. We use a huge amount of this flour here for making a lot of fried mushrooms. You can use less at home. Then soak the mushrooms into the water pot again. And again insert them into the mixed flour. Now grab another pot and put the mushrooms in it. Heat the frying oil and add the mushrooms to it. For a better taste, the oil must cover all parts of the mushrooms. You can fry them in 200 degrees centigrade for 5 minutes. Our fried mushroom is ready. Add any kind of spices that you want. Bon appetit! The video is not finished yet. Here in this channel, we upload a video for baking and making different types of foods or even desserts weekly. You just need to subscribe the channel to get access to lots of videos. Please like and do not lose the next video, which is about making delicious ice creams. Goodbye.